Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about the common advice, just do it. You know, when you're kind of in a rut or you don't know exactly um, why things are advancing so slowly in your life, it can be um, it can be a good thing to just stop taking steps back and just doing something, you know. If you're starting out in tennis, for example, you can watch a number of videos about the teachings, or you can read books on how to become better at tennis. But especially when you're starting out, just putting the reps in is probably the best thing, and it applies to pretty much everything that you could think of. If you want to become better at carpentry, or if you want to get better at cooking or creating a website, the best thing to do is probably just to get your hands into it. And especially even when you get a little bit more advanced, like you're able to build websites, but you just don't optimize them because you haven't really learned how to do that yet. You can still feel a little bit of fear or discomfort towards doing it, but just getting the reps in is how you're going to go and push through that barrier in the first place. So that's just a little reminder for today. I don't publish a lot of videos lately, but I wanted to make the ball rolling a little bit, like the advice I'm trying to say. So this is a first video, and I'm going to upload a few more eventually. So yeah, that's a first take, and I hope you like it. If you want more advice like this, feel free to comment in the video, and if you have like a goal or something that you want to work on but you keep postponing, please share. I'd like to hear it and see where you guys are. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.